All right, so now we're going to talk about integrating your different lead sources. For example, your calendar booking links, or maybe if you have a website inquiry that goes into your inbox, for example, Gmail, that it automatically gets sent over to JobTread. It searches to see if that account does exist and adds a comment if it does. And if it doesn't, it actually creates that customer, location, and job. Now, I know everybody does it a little bit differently. Some people actually have their sales pipeline built out in a tool like Go High Level and then manage their jobs and production inside JobTread. Personally, I would put my sales and my production pipeline directly inside of JobTread, so I'm working from there and then integrating tools like Go High Level if I want to. All right, so for example here, this is rcal.com. If you don't have a booking tool, I highly recommend checking out cal.com. This is actually where JobTread users book with Better Boss to have us help implement their system. All right, so if I go to webhooks, you can see here I have my different webhook URL right here, and this is inside of our tool N8N. All right, so N8N is the tool that we're utilizing, very similar to a Zapier, but a little bit more advanced and actually less expensive. So these are all our different booking types that we have, and they're all getting sent to our JobTread workflow webhook URL. So if I go here, you can get that by going copy webhook URL. So you can see here we have our webhook, and these are the different fields that I want as outputs, because basically I utilize the output from the cal.com booking to search and update. So any info that you want to make sure you fill out that output correctly. And then from there, it's going to go search to see if that customer's email is inside of JobTread already. If it is, it will add that comment. If it's not, it'll actually create the customer location and the job. All right. So let's actually go through this example here. What we'll do is we'll actually book on this and we'll test it out. All right. So let's go here. We'll book for the 5th at 9 a.m. We're going to say our name is Justin Testman Smith. Look at that name. And then for this, we'll put a number. All right, for the email address, we're going to say it's Justin Testman Smith at gmail.com. Company name is Justin Contracting LLC. We'll say it is justin.com. We'll say this, growth, not enough time. We'll say our tech rating is a 3, and we'll say NA for the notes. All right. So now this is going to go through. We got it booked. All right. Awesome. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go into N8N. You can see here, this was triggered and it was sent over to that webhook URL. So now if I go into my workflows, you can see here, cal.com, boom. All right, so I had the webhook, it looked for the customer. It could not find the customer, so it created the customer location and job. All right, you can see we got Justin Contracting LLC. We have the email, phone number, everything like that. I go to my locations. We have a location here. And then for the jobs, looks like I set my filter. So if we go back to pipeline, you can see here we got converted meeting. Boom, boom, boom. Good to go. I love it.